Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science from books. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, that's one every week. And here's the jaw-dropping part, all three of them credit just a handful of specific books for building their billion-dollar brains. Today, we reveal exactly which ones, and why 99% of Indians have never touched them. Book 1, The Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins, published in 1976, ignored by schools, but obsessively read by every Silicon Valley founder. This book reveals that your brain was literally wired by evolution to make you poor, to seek short-term rewards, avoid risk, and stay in the herd. Understanding this one idea helped entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos build systems worth over 166 lakh rupees crore. Book 2, Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. It sold over 2.3 crore copies worldwide, translated into 65 languages, and changed how an entire generation thinks about wealth. The brutal truth Harari reveals: money is a shared fiction, a story we all agreed to believe. The people who understand this fiction deeply enough, they're the ones writing the rules. And right now in India, those rules are being rewritten. Book 3, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Warren Buffett called it, quote, the best book about investing ever written. He read it at age 19 and turned 8,000 rupees into 8,70,000 crore rupees over his lifetime. The core idea? Most people react to markets with emotion, fear and greed, and that emotional stupidity is why the patient, rational investor always wins. Always. Here's where it gets personal. Book 4, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, a Nobel Prize-winning psychologist who proved with hard data that your brain makes 10 lakh rupees worth of irrational financial decisions every decade. Kahneman discovered that humans consistently overestimate their abilities and underestimate risk, which is exactly why 90% of Indian retail investors lose money in the stock market every year. Book 5, And This One Changes Everything. A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. Sold over 1.25 crore copies. Hawking wrote it while completely paralyzed, communicating one word per minute. The lesson has nothing to do with black holes, it's this: the universe operates on exponential principles. Compound growth, exponential technology, exponential thinking. The entrepreneurs who understood this in 2010 are worth 50,000 crore rupees today. Now here's the bigger truth connecting all 5 books, and nobody talks about this. Each book destroys a lie you were told in school. That you're rational. That history is fixed. That markets are fair. That your instincts are reliable. That time is linear. The world's wealthiest 1% think in systems, not salaries. In probabilities, not certainties. In decades, not months. That shift in thinking is worth more than any MBA from IIM. For Indian viewers specifically, this matters right now in 2024 more than ever. India's economy is projected to hit 350 lakh rupees crore by 2030. AI is eliminating 8.5 crore jobs globally while creating entirely new categories of wealth. The people positioned to capture that wealth aren't the ones with degrees, they're the ones with the right mental models. These 5 books give you those models for under 1,500 rupee total. Here's your action step. Buy one book this week. Start with Sapiens. It costs 299 rupees on Amazon India. Read 20 pages a day. In 15 days, your worldview will shift in ways that take most people 10 years to discover. And if you want more videos like this, real facts, real numbers, real strategies for Indian financial freedom, subscribe right now and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week.